So I had my hair in some twists, took the twist out, and I got these really defined curls, but the shrinkage is mad real, like mad real. And you know what shrinkage means, healthy hair. Anyways, welcome back to Rock Natural. If this is your first time on my channel, you can expect to see beauty, lifestyle, makeup, outfits of the day, reviews, all those good stuff. So be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. This video, if you couldn't tell by the title, is going to be reviewing a new brand of products that I've been trying, and I'm super excited to be talking about them today. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to talk about is the brand. So the brand is Olaplex. I'll be sure to insert a closer up photo of these two together so you can get a good look. And if you haven't seen my most recent hair video where I talk about my dry hair and what I was experiencing in there, I try a bunch of new products, but these are actually a few of the products that I've been trying as well. But I wanted to do a whole separate video on them just so I can give you all the goods, all the juices, and all that stuff. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is I've been wanting to try this brand for a while because I've been seeing it. The Curl Doctor uses it, and I was like, I just need to try something to help my hair. You know, it's just been going through some changes. The Colorado weather is just super dry. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Olaplex Hair Perfector. So this line actually has shampoo and conditioner as well. I decided to only pick up two of the products, and I'll talk about this one afterwards. But this is the Olaplex Hair Perfector. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. So what it says on the back is use 1 time per week. For damaged hair, use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. So I was like, this little bitty old bottle, like what is this gonna do for me? Because you know, us curly girls can really use a lot of product all at once. But what I did notice is that I didn't really need that much. So I used it once so far, and this is just like a first impressions video, and I used about that much. And it really got my hair saturated. I worked it into my hair. I was like, ooh, this is interesting. And you leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes and then longer if desired. So I was like, this is my first time trying this product. I'm gonna leave it on for 10-15 minutes and then rinse it out. I think the next time I'll use this as like a pre-steep conditioning mask, just so it really gets the effects that I need. So this is the take home bottle, because I think they have bigger bottles in the salon. But it says use before shampooing, not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. So I will say a few of the things that I noticed right after using it. My hair was very soft, so right after I rinsed this out, I did a shampoo like I would, and then I deep condition like I would, to ensure that I just got the full effect of my hair. My hair is so soft, and I mean, obviously after one try, you're not gonna be able to tell that your ends or whatever is completely repaired, but I can already tell a difference in my hair. So I was super excited to buy this product. I will continue to try it, and if once this is over, I loved it, then I'll be purchasing more. If I hate it, you know, move on to the next thing. But you really do have to try a product for a month to see if it really works well on your hair at least. And so since, I mean, this does say use 1 time per week or 2 to 3 times for damaged hair. So when I think of damaged hair, I either think of damaged hair from color, perm, or relaxer, I should say. What other things, like split ends, very just dry, not very well taken care of hair. And so that's what I think of when I think of damaged hair. For me, my hair is just really dry, and so dryness causes damage over time. And you know, ponytails, all those things can cause damage if you're not careful. So this is why I wanted to try this. And like I said, be sure to go check out my other video on how I talk about how to keep your hair moisturized, because it's really informative and a great video. Now, like I said, you use this before shampooing. And then I also bought the Bond Smoother. So this is a leave-in reparative styling cream, eliminates frizz, hydrates, and protects. So when I think of protects, I think of protects from the sun. If you're using a lot of heat, then it would be protecting your hair from heat. But this is really good so far. So I use this almost about every day, and like you really don't need that much as well. Like this is a little bottle, but I really don't need that much. I really focus this on my hands. On the back it says, apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating the product on your mid-length to end. Comb through and style as desired. Obviously, I'm not combing through my hair every day, but I am spraying with some water, using some type of leave-in, and then sealing it in. So I've been using this as my leave-in, and I can already tell, I think it really has helped with the smoothness of my hair. It is a little pricey. I think both of these together are like 60 something bucks. Like I said, this is not that big, but it's one of those products that costs a lot because it really does what it's supposed to do. And so I do highly suggest using these products. But you just don't go out and start buying like all these products. Do your research. I researched this brand for months before trying it. So it's this brand, Olaplex, and then Inner Sense. I also want to try an Inner Sense brand. I've heard a lot about that as well. Then of course I have my Diva Curl product. So curly hair is just so high maintenance. And of course I gotta use my black owned products as well. So I have those in my cabinets that I use faithfully. So be sure to do your research beforehand. Check out my other video. Check out my other hair videos to really see what you can do to get your hair growing. Get it to the length that you want. So healthy hair is gonna grow. So as long as your hair is healthy, then you will start seeing the length that you want. Anyways, I wanted this to be a short video. I'm already running over my time. So like I said, I do give these products a thumbs up. I'm gonna continue to use them for the rest of May. And I'm sure if I like them, they will be in my May favorites video. So you gotta subscribe so you can see if they're a keeper. All right. Well, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you like me doing reviews or what other product you want me to review. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles!